So we are here at Savers, me and my son, and it does not look that busy today. You want to go inside? It does not look that busy today. It's 50% off day, so let me get in there because my tiny human is like, hurry up, Mom. Mommy?
Yeah.
Look at Mommy. Say hi, Mom. No? You're not going to say hello to your mother? And we're going. So we just got done at Savers, and it was a pretty good finds. I'm gonna go to this grocery store, and then I'll see you guys at home. Hi, my name is Melissa, and I usually upload sewing related videos. If you are somebody that is a sewer or who is trying to get into the sojo, if you will, then subscribe. If you are returning and you are already subscribed, I just wanted to say thank you, and let's get talking. So I went to Savers. So yes, I do look tired. So I went to Savers, and then I actually went to Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby is actually having their $1.99 Simplicity pattern sale. So if there isn't a Joann near you, but there is a Hobby Lobby, go to Hobby Lobby. But anyways, I went and I just got three things. I got three things at Hobby Lobby. So the first one I got was a Mimi G pattern, and it is the Simplicity S8915. I know that there's going to be a lot of us women sewing this pattern because it's so beautiful, and I love both versions. It's the two pieces for this view. So for the middle view, it's this one, and it has the ruching for the hip area. And then on this one, this is so pretty. It has it not only on the upper back, but also here. And it looks so beautiful, and I need to make it, and it needs to be mine, and I love it so much. And this is a knit maxi dress, so I would need to use knit. I can't wait to find a fabric where it brings me, it hits me like, oh, I have this one. You know what I mean? And the next one that I purchased is the Simplicity 1133. This will just come in handy so much, and I can't wait to sew this. I think I actually have some fabric to sew this with. But yeah, the last thing that I bought, I don't think you guys care, but my husband has been requesting from me to fix his pants. His work pants, so I bought some fabric mending tape. But see, I like this because it's like a full thing that I can use, and I can make multiple patches with. The next thing I bought, let me show you guys this before we get into Savers, because I'm really excited to show you guys about Savers. But I'm also excited for those of you that follow me on Instagram. I'm going to be working with more knits, so I wanted to get this and kind of play with it. A subscriber, I don't want to say a subscriber, that sounds so like beauty guru, and I'm not a beauty guru. I'm not a sewing guru. I'm just on here figuring shiznits out. I'll put her name up here, and she actually commented down below in one of my videos, and she was like, you have to get it, help you out with all the knits and stuff and all the knit fabrics that you want to work with. I felt like I needed something like this because it's true. Like, it has a bunch of stuff that I'm really curious to learn on my sewing machine. I made this, like, it came in this, but I taped it so that I can close it. And I wish I would have paid more attention to this. I wish I would have gotten one that has a case, because even Daniela Tabois, like a while ago, she uploaded a video and she talked about, you know, a company where she purchased hers at, and hers came in a case. And I know that I probably like skipped that one on eBay, but I wish I would have gotten mine in a case. It came with the plastic, so that this was the plastic container. It came with this plastic at the top, and this was a cardboard that would just, that was like a lid that went on top. But by the time that I got it, everything had like fallen out, and I was like, I don't know what any of these presser feet are. I don't know their names. So it wasn't until I realized that, like, oh, this has like the picture of the of all the feet, and I was like, let me, and it took a good like 20-30 minutes to find all of them and organize it. I am using this one right now, the zigzag presser foot. And it's plastic, so it was really nice and easy for the fabric to go through. I did notice that my zigzags were a lot nicer, but every now and then, like, my zigzag stitch will go zigzag, 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 straight, 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 zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. Does that happen to anybody? I've tried messing with the tension, and it still kind of gets wonky with me. I might switch my needle more often, because I don't change my needle that much. Don't come for me. I like it. I like it a lot. Thank you to this person for commenting down below. I still have not, if you are watching this, I still have not printed out the little booties, but I'm going to print out those little booties so that I can sew some little booties for my dogs, because the pavement here in Arizona gets hot. If dogs don't have booties here for the summer, like, they can't stand in one spot. It is hot. And I remember 1 year too, I had shoes from Walmart. I must have been like 18 years old, 18 or 19. Sad times. I had these little $5 or like $3 Walmart shoes, and you know, like the Walmart shoes, they were all bendable. They were like Keds, but like really, really, really poorly made. And I remember walking with them on the sidewalk, and my feet would burn through that shoe. That is how hot the pavement gets here. But okay, so now we are going to go ahead and talk about savers. So in total, I spent $8.04 at Savers. Hobby Lobby was $5.60. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I spent $13.64 today. I spent less than $20 today on sewing stuff. That's so exciting. So the first thing that's at the top, it's this. Like, it's kind of heavy duty, I'm not gonna lie, but it's actually kind of not. Like, it's just a lot of fabric, which is awesome. One awesome thing about shopping at like a thrift store is that you pick something that, because there's so much of it, there was so much of it, I was like, let me just take it so I can practice with it. And then you end up just loving the fabric, you know. Today was half off day. This is $8, but half off was $4. So this is 4 yards. So I'm 5 feet tall, and this is as tall as me. So the width has to be 60 inches. Yeah, the width, see that? It's touching the floor. The width is 60 inches, and this is, look at how pretty that is. It's like a blue, but with like gray colors in it. It's really, really pretty. But it's very thin. Like, you could tell that this is where they cut it, and that's it. Like, there's no other cut in this. So that's pretty neat. $4 for 4 yards of fabric? That is insane. That in itself, if I'd have just left and just found that in itself was an awesome find. I took the rest of the stuff out because it's only 1, 2, 3 more things. The next piece of fabric that I'll show you guys, this is the last, so I only got that piece of fabric and this one. But look, it's a jersey knit. I have 1.5 yards of this. And this was $2.99. So $3, and it was half off. So I paid $1.50 for this. And this is really pretty. Like, this is really, look at how pretty that is. I could make a cute maxi skirt. I can make a very nice loose flowy top. I could make another dress. Speaking about dresses, for the first time, this isn't my first time wearing it, but today I decided to give birth to my version of the Erin dress. And like, I love this dress so much. Like, I was out and about and I kept catching reflections of myself, and like, I went to Fry's, I went to Savers, I went to Hobby Lobby. Like, I was out today with my son. I was like, I look cute. Like, I look really, really cute. Like, this dress looks super cute on me. Like, with the sun and my sunglasses, my hair up, you know, the mom look, and, you know, my little sandals and my little son next to me. I felt so valley. Like, I felt so like, I need my Starbucks. You know, I felt so, I don't know. It was a mood. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? I felt good. I felt good in this. And yeah, so this is it. And it's a super thin jersey knit. So I'm excited to sew with this. Wow, I've been talking for like 30 minutes. Sweet Jesus. I think I found a ton of interfacing. Is that interfacing? Tell me. If it's not, I'm still gonna use it as interfacing. I'll make it work. So yeah, that is everything that I purchased at Savers and at Hobby Lobby. So I have a few things that I am working on right now, so I will see you guys in a few days, and I hope everybody had a wonderful Mother's Day. So I'm gonna leave you because I've been recording for 40 minutes and that's a lot of editing. But other than that, you guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Don't just watch me, subscribe, okay? And hit that thumbs up. It helps me out so much, okay? So hit that thumbs up and I will see you in a few days. And as always, have a wonderful day, week, and month, and make it a good year. Bye.